Hey y'all, so today's my half day and I am starved. And my boyfriend pulled out salmon, which is actually kind of funny because he doesn't like salmon. So I'm gonna go ahead and make salmon for myself for lunch. I have two fillets, the skin is on, and I asked ChatGPT to generate me a juicy salmon recipe because I don't typically make salmon, if I'm completely honest. So if you are interested, if you like salmon and you're interested in a ChatGPT generated recipe, just keep on watching.
The first thing we're gonna do is pat dry both sides of the salmon with a paper towel, and then we're gonna go in with some salt and pepper. And before anybody comes for me, I did wash my hands in between flipping my fillets and touching my pepper shaker. I already heated up my stove. I have an electric stove. I put it between 4 and 5. There's some olive oil in the pan. We're cooking skin down first, and we're gonna cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. We are not touching it. After that, we're going to flip them and cook for an additional 3 minutes. After we do that, we're going to pull the salmon out of the pan and let it set to the side. We're going to add the pan back to the stove, and we're going to add some unsalted butter here. You're also going to want to turn your heat down to about medium. We're going to let that butter melt. Add a heaping spoonful of garlic. I love garlic, but do as you will here. And we're just mixing that up. Then we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, add as much as you want, but a little goes a long way here, letting that simmer. Then we're gonna go in and we're gonna add some hot honey. We got this from the farmer's market. We absolutely love this honey. We're just letting that melt in and sizzle for a little bit. And then we're gonna add the fillets back into the pan here and cook for an additional 2 minutes. People make this look super aesthetically pleasing, but you're spooning all the juices, the garlic, blah, 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 and letting that cook there. Once we're done with that, we're going to put it back on the plate so that I can give you guys a taste test, because if you made it this far, you deserve that at the very least.
Okay, so what is not pictured here is some pasta, which if you follow me on YouTube, which I don't really talk about my YouTube channel that much because I don't know, I just don't. But if you have a YouTube and you would like to follow me, it's in the link in my bio, if anybody cares. You can follow me on there, but I do follow a carnivore lifestyle, but today I want some pasta and we don't restrict over here. And so yeah, I'm gonna have some pasta, but anyways. Wait a damn minute. I'm telling you what, I would not ever normally think to add honey to salmon. And that could probably be because I don't make salmon that often. With the lemon juice, which you could probably use a fresh lemon, but that is what I had. So, yeah. So if you stayed and watched the whole thing through, I would give this a 10 out of 10. And you should try it. All right, I'm gonna go wait for my pasta to be done. And then I'm gonna rot on the couch watching Salmon Sunset.